great choice today with the 2017 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, compass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.